Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Let's learn how to draw a raccoon today. Shall we? Go grab your pencils, and let's get started. We shall start with drawing the outline of the head. First, draw a bigger based semicircle. Then close the gap. Next, we shall add in the raccoon's ear. Draw an inverted V, followed by a smaller one inside. Repeat the same for the other ear. Let's move on to its mask. Starting at the intersection, draw two small semicircles. Repeat the same again below. Followed by its nose and mouth. Next, add in its eyes using some ovals. Then proceed to shape them. The raccoon's head is completed now. Let's proceed to draw the body. Draw a big U. Now it's time to add in the hands and leg. Cute little hands is completed. Let's draw the legs. Almost there. Can you guess what is still missing on the raccoon? Yes, the raccoon's tail. Let's add in the tail now. Then complete the tail with some lines. Hope you enjoyed drawing with me. See you in the next one. Please help me like, share, and subscribe.